She didn't leave because you were broke.
You loud that.
She left because you had no plan.
Right. Wait.
A man who's broke but building something gives a woman something she can stand on.
Yeah.
A man who's broke and drifting gives her nothing but anxiety.
Yeah.
I didn't need perfection. I needed a plan I could trust.
I thought money was the issue. It wasn't. It was that I had no direction.
Women don't leave men because of a number in a bank account.
Right.
They leave because of what that number tells them.
Yeah.
What she hears is, he doesn't protect, he doesn't provide, he doesn't prepare.
Attraction doesn't survive confusion for long.
I was chasing checks, but I still wasn't building nothing.
She wasn't measuring your bank account.
Yeah.
She was measuring your judgment.
Yeah, if that makes sense. Yeah.
I wanted to know if he was going somewhere or just surviving.
She wanted to know, does this man have a relationship with money, Kakea? Or does money just happen to him?
I had to learn the hard way that earning and building are not the same thing.
No savings, no plan, no direction. That silence said a lot.
Because one means he's going somewhere. The other means she's along for a ride with no destination.
Yeah.
A woman can love a man who's broke.
Yeah.
She cannot love a man who's lost.
Yeah.
Men who grew up hourly were taught to earn, not to build.
Yes.
And nobody taught us that building means thinking past this week. When I got intentional, everything started changing.
Earning keeps the lights on. Building changes the address.
I wasn't looking for perfect. I was looking for purpose.
The men who understand this start early. They invest what they can, even when it's small.
A man can be broke and still feel safe if he's building. Not because they're rich, because they understand that direction is more attractive than money.
I started with small moves. That's what made the difference.
A man putting $50 a month into an index fund is doing something.
Right.
And a man spending $500 on things he doesn't own is not.
Yes.
It wasn't about having a lot. It was about having a system.
She doesn't see your brokerage account. She sees how you handle what you have.
Broke is temporary. Aimless is a personality.
Not the destination, the direction.
That's what matters.
I respected consistency more than money.
And here's the difference of one can be fixed by time. The other tells her everything she needs to know about who you are. And here's what most men get wrong.
Right, yeah.
They think the solution to losing a woman over money is more money.
I thought money was the issue. It wasn't. It was that I had no direction.
Thank you for supporting TAG Premium Studios.